Hey everyone, in the last video we created um, a task index page. So let's create a detail page. This is very similar to what is expected for you to have in most applications, okay, and in what would have been your labs, okay. So because we have an index, our links already, all we need really to do is to create a view. So let's go to our views.py and create a new view. Okay, I want to call it class detail view. Okay, no, let's not call it detail view. Let's call it task detail view. I want it to be a class-based view, and then def get self request args quartz. Okay, so the keyword arguments is where the ID is contained. Okay, remember that. Anything you name here in your URL, this ID would be contained in quargs, okay, keyword arguments. Now, obviously I still want to render something, so let's just copy that over. Okay, you don't need to type everything out. And instead of task, let's call it task. And then instead of index.html, we're using, let's say, detail.html. Do I have detail.html? No, I don't. Okay. Now instead of objects.all, I will just say I will get id is equal to quargs. It's a dictionary, so I will get an id. Okay. Now that I have that in my detail page or in my detail view, oh wait, I can't say just quargs. I need self.quargs dot get id. Okay, now we have that. I can go now and create a detail page, lists, templates, detail.html, and then in here it will just be a very quick here's our detail.html. Just to make this a very short detail page, so extends again base.html. Our title now, okay, block, just copy that so that I can write end block title. A title could be a variable, right? So let's say task.text. Obviously it's gonna be long. I could use a filter. There's a filter called truncate cars. I want it to just be 10 characters long. Okay. And then my contents. What do I want my contents to look like? Block, block, and block. So block content. I just want to list everything out. So item.text, I want a paragraph tag that says created on, was created on when, not item but task dot created on, modified on, and then lastly, let's see our tags again. So that's tags, task.tags. Okay, so we have everything in this template. Now let's go to our browser, refresh. Oops, guess I had an error. Yes, there was an error. This is supposed to be that, and then let's delete this, so that's clean. Now everything should be a-okay. Everything is a link. I click this, it will go to, it's not updating. Why is it not updating? Because we have not yet changed our URLs. So let's go to our urls.py, and let's also import task detail view, and then use that here. Okay, so that's task detail view as a view. Now truncate cars, and there we go. That is a simple template. Now we're done with working with Django templates. In our next set of videos, we will be talking about working with working with Django in a different way. So stay tuned for that.